Hi, welcome back to Axel Learning. If you're new here, welcome. We provide free access to math techniques, shortcuts, and many more. In today's video, we will be cubing a 3-digit number near a base. In this example, 388 cubed. Step 1. Find the base number such that it is near 388 and is easy to work with. And the nearest base number to 388 is 400. Step 2. Compare the number with the base number. 388 minus 400 is negative 12. Step 3. Thrice the difference. Negative 12 times 3 is negative 36. If the difference is negative, subtract it from the base number. 400 minus 36 is 364. Step 4. Multiply it with the square of the base number. The square of 400 is 160,000. 364 times 160,000 is 58,240,000. And this is part 1 of the answer. To get part 2, multiply thrice of the difference with the original difference. Negative 12 times negative 36. And the answer is positive 432. Next, multiply it with the base number. 432 times 400 equals 172,800. And this is part 2 of the answer. Moving on to part 3, which is the last part of the answer, calculate the cube of the original difference. Negative 12 cubed is negative 1,728. And this is part 3. Lastly, simply add all the 3 parts of the answer to get the final answer. Because part 3 is negative, add part 1 and part 2 first, then subtract part 3 from the sum of part 1 and 2, and you get the final answer. Therefore, 388 cubed equals 58,411,072. If you like this video, like and subscribe for more math techniques.